Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your browser login workflow using LastPass Teams. Start by ensuring you have a LastPass Teams account. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the LastPass website. Sign in with your LastPass Teams credentials. Once logged in, locate the LastPass browser extension in your browser's extension toolbar. If the extension is not installed, click on the appropriate link to download and install it. After installing the extension, refresh your browser to activate it. Click on the LastPass icon in the toolbar. Select Open My Vault from the drop-down menu. In your vault, you will see all saved logins. To restore a specific login, locate the entry you want to use. You can use the search function to quickly find it. When you find the login entry, click on it to reveal details. Read through the details to ensure they are correct. If any information is missing or incorrect, you can edit the entry. Click on Edit to make the necessary changes. Once done, save the changes. Now, return to the login page of the website you need to access. Click on the LastPass icon in the toolbar again. Select the correct login from the list of saved entries. LastPass will automatically fill in your username and password. If prompted, complete any additional steps, such as two-factor authentication. Once logged in, you are ready to use the site. Repeat these steps for any other logins you want to restore. Now your browser login workflow is efficiently restored using LastPass Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.